Jarrod Lee, and I'm from Bailey and Dalton Electrical on the Sunshine Coast. Yeah, I'm 100% all in on AI. Excited for what Simpro has to bring to the new software. It's going to be great. I think we're going to be able to scale our businesses, especially from the entrepreneur side, double them and be able to keep the same administration teams and management in place without having to duplicate those human resources. And people are going to be able to get, like they said before, 400% more efficient and things like that. The job note taking for the text is a big one. Giving everyone that access to have a voice to text conversation with it, put it in a nice professional format is going to be game changing. Integrating these new softwares in has been, I think, a real eye opener for me to like what the future holds. To manually do that reporting, create it, personally write it and send it without using AI you're going to get left behind. It's a big thing. We spend a lot of time editing and updating notes to make them look professional to the customer. So that is going to be awesome.